Lifetime free source emergency support from nearest police officer, nearest advocate, nearest detective, nearest women committee, nearest ambulance, or maybe just a person who is near to you, who can come during emergency and who can help you, is provided by KaranKavach.com, a social media app for security. If you're stuck in any emergency situation like rape, kidnapping, child abuse, molestation, or maybe you are trapped in a vehicle and vehicle is going in a direction, you just have to raise source from KaranKavach.com app. KaranKavach will notify to the police officer who are standing in that direction, to the army, ex-army officers, women committee, the people who are standing there, traffic police officers, so that they can stop the vehicle and they can save you. As you raise a source, your friends and family will be notified with your location, with your recent audios and videos which are captured during the source, and they will able to see the nearby people, the nearest police officer to you, the nearest advocate, nearest detective, nearest ambulance, nearest person who can help you. And your family member will able to talk to them, they will able to chat with the social providers, they will able to guide that how they can save you. As you raise a source, the nearest police officer, advocate, detective, social providers, or maybe a person who can come for your help, maybe a driver, will be notified with your location, and they will be notified with a encrypted name and number, so that your identity will be safe, and they will able to talk to you, they will able to chat with you, they will able to see your location, and they will able to locate you, and they will able to use Google Map to come to you. As you start the source, your mobile will start capturing your audios and videos, and these audios and videos will be shared with your friends and family group, so that they can see the condition and they can help you better. Once source is over, if you need any further help like advocate help, police help, or anything else, you can take that help from KaranKavach.com. If you need monetary help, you can take donations from society as well from KaranKavach.com. And there are few other features as well regarding source. Let's see how you can use all of these features. How to use KaranKavach lifetime free source emergency support. Victim's mobile is in Bengaluru, his father's mobile is in US, and nearest police officer itself is in Bengaluru. Whenever a person is in trouble, he can come upon this page and he can click upon source emergency button. Over here, he need to select a group. This is friends and family group. This group will be notified with location during the source, and apart from that, audios, videos during the source will be shared upon this group. Apart from that, a victim can select what type of support he needs. Man police officer support, woman police officer, man doctor, woman doctor. KaranKavach recommend that you should select all members, so whoever is nearby will come to help you. To understand how source works, user can use dummy source feature. In the dummy source, all the features of source are listed over here and you can explore each of them. I'm going to explain all these features in real source. During emergency, victim should click upon source emergency button. He has to continue. As he activates Kavach, family member is getting the call, and police officer got the notification that there is some nearby source is happening. So family member can see where is the victim, where is his family member, and he can see what is the exact location. Apart from that, police officer can also see what is the location of the victim. Family member can locate nearest police station near the victim. He can see all the police stations over here, and he can call to the police station as well. He can spot victim's location on map, and he can share victim's location with police and maybe other people as well. Family member can opt for ambulance service as well. If victim has met some accident and all, he can opt for the nearest ambulance and he can call to the ambulance person as well. Apart from that, he can see nearest women committee as well, nearest to the victim. All these, he can see the nearest advocate, nearest detective, nearest forest department, and he can chat and call with the victim as well. He can type how are you, and over here all the services like audio call, video call, everything is available. You can have that. Whenever a source is raised, your name will be visible to only family members. Muskan is visible to only family member. The nearest police officer and other people will not able to see your name. Your name and your number is casted. Police officer can spot the victim. He can see him on the Google map as well. He can see the 3D view of Google map. He can see how the location looks like and all, where the victim is. This is basically Google Maps feature. He can start the direction, and within 3 minutes police will able to reach to the victim's location. Nearest police officer, advocate, driver, women committee, ambulance person, or the person who is nearby, they can subscribe for source update. Now all the details, all the location change of victim will be visible to this nearby person as well, and they can become source help provider as well. So as they become source help provider, their detail will be shared with victim, and their detail will be visible to family member as well. Victim can call, chat with them. They can message over here. They are having call and chat functions. In the same way, family member can also chat with the victim. They can call. They can locate the person on the Google map as well. They can see both of the distance and where the provider is and where is the victim. At any moment, if a provider want to opt out from the source, they just have to click upon this button and the provider will be opted out from the source. For now, we are keeping the provider. Victim can chat with the friends and family group. Once he is fine, he can say like, hi, I'm fine. So all the family member will get the notification that victim is fine now. He can deactivate the source from here. Once the source is deactivated, everybody will see that source is deactivated. If he want to donate some money to the provider, he can donate that money from here. We recommend that you should donate at least 1000 golden coins to the provider, so that this can bear his expenses of coming. In the same way, you can donate to the KaranKavach as well. If source help provider want to get donation from society, he can add a post. Over here, he can add the details. He can select a category. He can save the post. And his post will be visible over here. Over here, people will able to donate him respective money, and you will able to see all the comments, likes, share upon this post. His post will be visible to all the friends and family, and friends and family will able to donate respective money. He can share the post. They can comment. They can prohibit the crime. They can like the post as well. They can comment over here. Later on, if user want to see the details of the source, he can go to the source history, and over here all the source will be visible. In the same way, family member and police officer also can see the source history, and respective source detail will be visible. You can see the source details over here. What was the last location of the victim, what was the last location of the provider, and all will be visible here. You can even chat with the provider. You can call to him. You can later on donate to the provider as well. Even police officer want to chat with the victim later on, he can chat with the person. He can see source details. In the same way, family member can also chat and see the source details. If a victim wants to delete source, he can go over here. He can select to delete for all, and he can delete. Once he delete the source, respective source is deleted from the group, and it will be deleted. It is deleted for the police officer as well. I am Rakesh, working as CEO and CTO on KaranKavach.com. KaranKavach.com upcoming features like fake call, fake police siren, detection of hidden camera, spy camera, call to nearest police officer, source, then lifetime free unlimited chat, call, file transfer, donate to society, collect donations from society. Will blow your mind. Don't forget to download our app from Google Play Store. We are launching on 20th January 2025. Download our app and protect your family. Keep on nurturing the society with inevitable protection. Protect your family with our app.